In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take pictures and upload them to Google Classroom. Whether you're a student needing to submit assignments or a teacher collecting student work, these simple steps will guide you through the process seamlessly and will have you mastering this in no time. First, let's begin with taking your picture. You can do this using your smartphone's camera, which is always handy. Alternatively, you could use a computer equipped with a webcam if that's your preference. The choice is yours, and it largely depends on what you have available and feel most comfortable using. Once you've taken your picture, it's crucial to ensure that it is clear and well lit. Good lighting makes all the difference, especially when you're submitting something like homework to your teacher. You want the picture to be legible and easy to read. If the lighting in your room isn't ideal, perhaps move closer to a window or adjust a lamp to illuminate your subject better. Also, try to hold the camera steady to avoid any blurring. With your clear photo ready to go, the next step is to head over to Google Classroom. Open up your browser and type in classroom.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is typically your school email or the email provided by your educational institution. Signing in is pretty straightforward, and if you don't already have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, you'll see the classes you're enrolled in or teaching. Click on the relevant class, and here you will find your assignments listed. Click on the assignment to which you want to upload your picture. It's important to double check that you've chosen the right one to avoid submitting to the wrong place. Now look for the option that says Add or Create. Click on this and then select File. After that, you'll hit Upload. This step prepares you to select the picture file from your device. Go ahead and choose the photo you just took. It's usually easiest to find if you've saved it in an accessible place like your desktop or a specific folder designated for schoolwork. Finally, once your photo is uploaded, the last important step is to click Turn In to submit it. This is crucial to make sure your assignment is actually sent to your teacher or posted for review. After clicking Turn In, your submission is officially complete, and there you have it. You've successfully taken a picture and uploaded it to Google Classroom. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you do it, the more streamlined it will become. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other related tips to enhance your online learning or teaching experience. Thanks for watching.